It's never too late. One, personally, it's never too late, no matter the age, your gender, it's never too late. I promise you, go to FVI, you're gonna have a support from the front end to the back end. Every staff is accessible, no matter what you need. It's no closed door policy. Every door is open, and I'm sure that you will get the results that you're looking for. Hi, my name is Aisha Jackson. I just graduated from FVI Miramar campus as a medical assistant, certified, as well as certified in EKG tech. Nursing has always been my passion. I love taking care of others. I just like to see people's happy and, just being able to help. I have my family here to support me, but most of all, it was for me. I jumped hurdles that I thought I can ever get over, just tearing down some walls, boundaries, limits. Now I feel like I'm untouchable.